Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Alrighty, test, 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 test. What the fuck? The fuck? Ooh, baby, no. Oh, baby, no. How does anyone do anything? How does anyone do anything? How does someone do things? Why is my performance so abysmal? $10.20. Let's do this. the fuck? I'm just gonna quit. This needs to be quit for sure. Oh. I don't understand, man. Wait, why does it work now? That's fine. Refresh render. Okay, so is that the problem? Is this never? I just started streaming like 2 minutes ago. Can I help you? Let me mute. Hold on. Sad, sad, sad. Come on, baby. Fuck you. We don't have a select for this, right? Cool. Stupid. I want to murder this system. But why? Why? I just hate this fucking system so much right now that I want it to die, and I don't want to touch it, and I don't want to ever see this fucking shit again. I don't want this to happen. I'm so angry. I hate all of this. This is so bad. Just do none of this, please. Like, thank God. Hey, plan two. Yeah, I've got no backup plan. If this doesn't work, uh, yeah, there's no backup. I plan to, uh, exactly. That's what we do. Woo, wee, doo, 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 doo. I'm gonna add a fishing game to this later today. But we're almost done with this. Okay, so what we need here in the apartment. We need to make a new pickup. I need pickup component. And this one is going to be a pickup component on a thing, right? Okay, so that's all it is. It is pickup component on a, what is this? A Godot object. Let's just try that. So allow. Oh, we've got Tofu in the chat. He's walking around. I know you've joined already, so you don't have to join. It's good to test, though. Whee! Oh, I'm not. Probably not. You're not just Tofu. You're Tofu the Lofu. You're Tofu the Bofu. Both of these nuts. I got you. I got where you're going with it. It makes a lot of sense. We're Bofed. We got Bofed. You can press B to ball. Oh yeah. Press B and then ball out. And then you just bounce. B to bounce. The walls are bouncy, so if you hit the walls, the rocks are not bouncy. You can get some serious speed. Yeah, there you go. Awesome. I think if I were to polish that, like, the system really well, I'm not sure, but I feel like people would buy it, like streamers, if it was, like, supported, like, a ton of different, you know. That's my theory is that I think I could sell that. Okay, let's try that. It goes exclusive. I don't want to. I want it to do. So that would be on the ready scene. What the fuck? Dang, he's jumping right up in the screen. My lord. Yeah, you think like I think like you know, I wonder if I'm like kind of actually too low on this. I might need to be up more like here for you. I think that doesn't even show actually, but yeah, there we go. Yeah, I think like if streamers, if I made like some real game, like mini games in here, Let's play Arrow game. You ready? Here goes. Holy crap, it worked. You remember Arrow game, right? Isn't that cool? You can drop I can drop people into I can pick you up and put you on a platform up here. Then I have to go over to Glory. Do you think that people would pay for the privilege of you know? It's so cool that it works. Oh no, we've got too many. There we go. Oh, almost got you. Oh, I got 1 point. No. Oh, stuck him. Oh, he's got the secrets. No, I'm dying, I'm dying. Ow, I'm being, oh god, I'm pincushioned. No, I've been pincushioned. I'll never live this down. I'm getting my ass kicked. Tofu's too strong. That's fun. Now I can't get it back to island mode. Because I didn't put the fucking drop down in here. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think I can. If I can, I go here and I press tab. I need to get the there we go. Back to island game. Well, what if this works? That would be really cool. That's really, I mean, how nifty is that? I won't accept that not being nifty. I do think people would pay if they felt like they got good value. Yeah, and their variety. The hard part is marketing. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I miss these chats, but like, yeah, I would have to like polish the games, like make a bunch of mini games. And the hard part for me was thinking of activities like 50 to 100 people could do together that don't require a lot of input besides like strange enough, I don't think the game needs to be as polished as much as there needs to be a variety. Like a variety of things to do. There just needs to be a lot of content. Maybe you're thinking content like, yeah, like things to keep you occupied, because these proof of concept ones, like the 2D and the 3D, are just like basically jump around and do nothing. I do think there's a good bit of game in the Arrow game, but I never came up with a game for island game. So the game doesn't have to be polished. Yeah, I mean, it's a good point. The other thing I want to do is built it into a Twitch extension so people don't have to leave Twitch to play it. I think that's like a piece of tech I would have to master before, so that it just pops up on their Twitch screen rather than having to go to itch.io. Because yeah, you can create 20 different physical worlds with just random objects they can play with. Yeah, so just like sort of like chat, VR chat, or yeah, I mean, we've got this stupid ball that doesn't really do anything. You can't even, yeah. Because the ball, like basketball, I could do like volleyball, basketball, 20 different physical worlds. Like, yeah. But yeah, I think having it built into Twitch would be like a technical step I would have to do before I try to market it. Because being able to sell a Twitch extension is, you don't even need to set up scoring or games. Just be like, yeah, I do have scoring technically in the menus. Yeah, a lot to think about. I think it would do well. Yeah, I just have so many projects right now. I'm working on this horror game. Um, Horror? No, that's a different type of horror. It's a good idea though. I always look at the top sellers on Steam, and there's so many not safe for work game and SFW games. It's so crazy how well those sell. I think if I were in it for money, I would do that. But I don't really care about Gooner games, or even stuff like Wuthering Waves or Zenless Zone Zero have so much ass and titties in them, or even Marvels. My morals prevent me from doing not safe for work game. I think my artistic ability prevents me from doing it. I'm also just not interested in them. From a moral standpoint, people accessing content like generally in that vein doesn't bother me. It's a very much like a primitive, like googly eyes. People get googly eyes for that stuff, so. But I also like morally like don't like gambling games or gacha games, so like yeah. Yeah, maybe you need honor, like yeah, definitely morals. No, because like if you wanted to sell out, you could sell out doing crypto or scamming people or whatever. I'd feel like making NSFW games is more still like closer to art than it is to like scamming, because people are paying for a product. So like I could go be black hacker, yeah. And then as far as my name, I'm not actually that precious with it, yeah. Yeah. But no, I did never. Yeah, my image is pretty squeaky clean. So, but yeah, I just see how well those things sell, and it's just kind of funny. If I had like, I also, yeah, I'm just more interested in like multiplayer, and those games are not very much multiplayer, are they? Let's make a letter. Okay. You can make an NSFW multiplayer game. It would sell really well. I'm sure it would sell so well. People just love to. It's called Goon Together. That's what we've been missing. That's what these VR chat people need, is more of that. I'm just kidding. Jokes. Yeah. I'm just like not yeah. I really want to make yeah. I'm kind of thinking about this like I've got some infrastructure going on in this other project here. Um we have a bun service that we're extending and it is so nice. It's look I mean you just if you clear this thing and you go bun run dev like boom that is fucking hot. It's fast. It's just up that quick. Built on TCP. I think that's going to be a big win for this because my lobby system is really weak. My backend is kind of my weakest link in my stack. All right. Display item name, slot data. I don't care. It's a letter. Now, do we have a text box with this thing or oh, it needs a collision box, doesn't it? Useless. So this thing has collision polygon. Oh, wow, it's huge. What is it, a type? What type is it, a packed vector? Okay, so it can be any collision polygon. A collision shape 2D. Let's do... Oh, object size and shape. Yes. Pick up component. None of these happen, right? Does it find it automatically? What are we doing here? But why does this work? Layer 2. It shouldn't have to be a This is very interesting to me. A CSG polygon. Okay, so that's what they're using here. And we can just copy this packed vector, right? And it has a huge margin. Interesting. Polygon, paste, boom. And then they put some enormous amount of margin on it for no reason. Why? Why? How does theirs work? It's a rigid body. Okay, let's try that. Mine is not. Mine's a node 3D. There we go. And then we attach a script to it. This will make it a Cognito object. Okay, we're figuring it out. We just have to find Cognito object. There it is. List, please. Object done. Load. Now we can go back. Delete. Add. Collision shape 3D. box. That makes sense. That's pretty cool, though, the way they've done this. They extend a 3D shape, a rigid body, so then this counts for them. And this says, what are you complaining about now? Scale changes. Okay. That's fine. We just need to make the envelope smaller, not the entire thing. So we go 0.2 there. Collision shape is huge, which is perfect. Boom. Oh man, that's really easy to use. Okay. Took a second to get it going, but we've got the letter. Let's get rid of this thing and test the letter, okay? Crashed. The name. Pick up. Let's uncheck that. What the fuck? Did it just fly at me? It's not what we want. We can do this now. We can get rid of all this. Critical. Fucked up. It's just a prototype. Why on earth? It just doesn't know what it is, so let's figure it out. Slot data. Inventory slot. Can I quick load this? Okay. Attribute checks. Very cool. That definitely seems like it's on the floor to me. So why would you be where you are elsewise? So annoying. Holy fuck. There we go. Still doesn't like it. Yeah, okay. Oh, here we go. What about... Oh, okay. Now we can just do inventory item, name, letter, a mysterious letter, icon. Oh, no. This is cool, actually. This is really cool. Okay, I'm kind of getting into this. Look at all this cool stuff. Drop scene, all that. Can't see all of it, but yeah. Take it down. Good day. I see you over there in YouTube land. Sorry, I've been busy here. Where'd it go? What the fuck? Why is the letter floating? I'm gonna fucking lose it. Huh? Sucks, man. Where's it going? That's so strange. The fucking Christ. Let's try it up here, I guess. I think it's clipping through the wall and throwing itself at me. Now it's not going anywhere. Where did it go? Dude, this shit's so fucking buggy. Does it need to have this? I'm stuck. I hate this fucking system. Oh my god. Are you serious? Is there like no reason in this on this earth? Is there nothing reasonable? Can anyone who knows more about anything tell me what the fuck is going on? How does it know what this is? It thinks it's that wide. Now it thinks it's that small. Oh my god, it's getting the information from the fucking item? What? That is the most ridiculous thing I've ever seen in my life. All right, so let's test it with a giant. No, I'm gonna actually grab. It's actually creating an AAB from this fucking thing. That's just why it's huge. And I was running into it or something. It keeps flipping around the room. Still gonna flip around the room, isn't it? Okay. It's gone. This fucking system sucks. Kill me. Why is it floating on God? I'm gonna kill you. I hate this fucking letter. I'm so angry. I just cannot create this. Why is it here in the middle of the floor? I want to murder it. Open containing foil. Where the fucking Christ? No, I just want to show it. Show and finder. There we go. Please. Try that. Help. Invert. Invert colors. How do you invert the colors? I want to die. We're struggling. We're on the literal struggle bus. Our finder just crashed. We're opening GIMP. This is always a bad sign if we're opening GIMP. Image, colors, invert. The fuck? Why is it the same fucking color? Computers are a form of madness. Perfect. Okay. A mysterious letter. It's done. We did it. It took forever. We hate it. Why is it not here? It's falling through. Okay, there it is. It's not, doesn't have collision shape 2. Let's do, what? It does. What on earth? I'm in hell. Okay. What is going on here? What is it possibly interacting with? Oh no. I'm just like baffled. So move it here. Move it up. Falls right on there. Okay. Issue is here. Oh, is that like a no-no area? Can I just put it on the table over here? Apparently that's a no-no area. Let's try this way. Where is it? Just falls right through whatever the fuck it wants to fall through. It's just like, why? What's wrong with you? Something is really wrong with this whole fucking system. It's like nothing is where you put it. It's just not where I told it to go, right? It's told it to go. Why? There, finally. Okay, now let's fix this one. So what can we reason about here? Reasonably, we can say this thing, its box is too big. Okay, so we'll go even further down. It's floating around. It's just floating in the air. But why? What is this? The fuck is this thing? It's me? Huh? There's 2 players in here. No, the knife is gone. Help me. And I can't pick this up. There's no meaning in the world. Oh, there's no meaning. Butter. Double the size. I don't understand why this thing fucking floats in the world. It's gone. Thank God. I never want to see it again. Can it just not float on the fucking... Am I insane? It is floating. What? It's still like floating way above where it's supposed to be, right? I will pay someone to tell me what the fuck is going on here. Apparently that's what it takes. Why would it... Okay, Godot is pissing me off today. I'm so done with Godot today, guys. I'm gonna be logging off here soon. I'm just not having any fun. Garbage. Garbage. Absolute garbage. Garbage, garbage, stupid garbage. Garbage, garbage, garbage. Fuck. This better not cause an error. What the fuck? God damn it. Why is everything so hard today? It's just not my day, everyone. Usually I feel like I'm making progress and doing well, and today I am just pissed off and unhappy. All right, we're going to export this and we're going to be done for the evening. So let's prepare to wrap up. Any questions before I go? Any consolidations? Any exclusive full screen? Ah, excuse me. Sorry, hope that noise canceller worked. Oh, Andrew. Okay, friends. That's it for me today. Thank you for joining. Have a good one.